Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about Ikta system, market reforms and Mughal administration. Today, we will study about the local administration, Dinilahi, Mansabdari system and Jagadhari system. First, local administration of Mughal. The country was divided into subhas, sarkars, parganas and villages. There was a chain of officials for the administration of each division like collection of revenue, judicial administration and supervision of the army. Next, we will study about the policies adopted by Akbar. Mughal administration attained strength during the time of Akbar. Akbar's aim was to win the support of all sections of the people. The policies adopted by Akbar are adopted the title of Badshah-i-Hind, means the Emperor of India. Second point, to maintain religious harmony, he formulated a new faith named Dinilahi by teaching the ideas of all religions. The Rajaputs were appointed as high officials. Next, Akbar and his relatives married Rajaput ladies. Last point, the army was strengthened by including different sections. Next, we will study about Dinilahi. Akbar wanted to maintain peace, friendship and unity in his country. Akbar constructed the Ibadat Khana at his capital, Fatehpur Sikri. Ibadat Khana is a meeting house where spiritual leaders gather and conduct discussion about the teachings of respective religion. Next, Akbar formulated the ideology of Dinilahi. It was a combination of ideas and principles of different religions. He never compelled anyone to accept it. It did not have any rites and rituals, religious texts, places of worship or priests. Sulkul or peace to all was the basic principle. Next, Mansabdari System. The base of Mughal administration was a strong military system. Emperors needed the support of nobles and officials to maintain and expand the empire. For this, Akbar adopted the Mansabdari system. The term Mansab means the rank of a Mughal military officer. Those who held this position were called Mansabdars. The position of the officers and their salaries and military responsibilities were determined by Mansabdari system. The rank of a Mansabdar was determined by the number of horses and cavalrymen he maintained. There were more than 30 ranks in the army of Akbar. Ranks of army was ranging from Mansabdars of 10 horses to 10,000 horses. Each Mansab had two subdivisions, that is Sat and Savar. Sat means individual. It fixes the rank and salary of a person in the army. Savar means the number of horses a Mansabdar had to maintain. Another reform introduced by Mughal emperors are Jagadhari System. Jagadhari system was introduced to make the administration more effective. The Jagadhari system was a higher form of the Ikta system, the system which granted land instead of salary to the Mansabdars. The land granted was known as Jagir. The officers were provided possession right of the Jagir land only. Such officers were known as Jagirdars. As in the Ikta system, the Jagirdars never lived in or ruled over the land they received. The position of Jagirdar was not hereditary. They were transferred by the king. Their only authority over the claimed land was the utilization of the revenue collection of this area. Okay, students, let's review about today's portions. First, the main policies adopted by Akbar. Adopted the title of Badshah-i-Hind. To maintain religious harmony, he formulated a new faith named Dinilahi. The Rajputs were appointed as high officials. The army was strengthened by including different sections. Next, Mansabdari System. The term Mansab denotes the rank or position of a Mughal military officer. Those who held this position were called Mansabdars, and their responsibility were determined through the Mansabdari system. Next, Jagadhari System. It was a higher form of Ikta system. It was a system which granted land in lieu of salary to the Mansabdars. The land thus granted was known as Jagir. The officers were provided possession right of the Jagir land only. Such officers were known as Jagirdars. Hope you all understood about today's topic. Thank you.